Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Now he come with the thirst. Ayy, work, pose.
Hey besties, so I'm currently in the process of doing my hair. Y'all probably like what is going on, but yes, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going on a trip. Actually, I'm going on 2 trips. So the first one's going to be to Dominican Republic, Punta Cana to be exact, and then the second one I'm going to Mexico again, but this time for the first time I'm going to Cabo. So for the first trip, I kind of wanted to have like some curly hair, like a curly bob, so I'm getting that together now. However, it kind of just feels a little weird because this is like really black. Just last month, the whole June, I had my natural hair out, and my natural hair is like blonde in the front and then like a dark brown and then black. So it's like color. And then the month before that, in May, I had red hair. It was a red wig. So basically 2 months later, going to black just feels weird. Like it's just, I don't know. It feels different. I'm not gonna film a whole install, but this is a vacation prep video. So I know when I wake up, I should be, I should have appointments for my nails, my toes. I need my eyebrows done. I need a whole new wax. I think I'm gonna do my own legs. I'm gonna nair my legs. I like to nair those. I never get my lashes done for a vacation. But now that I'm going on 2 back-to-back trips, I feel like getting my lashes done would be the best thing to do, so I could just wake up and go. Especially because the girls be waking up pretty. Like y'all just wake up and y'all already look pretty. Like I want that vibe. Like I hate getting wigs that don't fit my head. Like is my head just that big? Like this is definitely gonna have to use some baby hairs or some more plucking, but it looks good plucked in the mirror, but it looks crazy in the camera. So I'm conflicted on what to do. Do I listen to the mirror or do I listen to the camera? The curls be more defined. And I also probably might do like a side. Ooh, I'm definitely gonna do a side part. But I gotta get this hairline together. So I'm gonna finish up my hair and then kind of put in a ponytail, figure that out, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. When I wake up, then we can go to my nail appointment. Well, actually, my toes appointment. My cousin is going to be doing my toes. She does really good, y'all. When she does my toes, like it lasts like the whole month, and then like it's square. She does a square nails. It's just so shaped, and it doesn't even ruin my nails. I don't know what she be doing, but it's like I just love it. I just love when she does my nails. So I'm gonna go to her house. She's pregnant at the moment, but she's still willing to do it for my trip. I always get white. I already know when I get there, she's gonna be like, "You getting white again?" I'm like, yeah. I'm a white type of girl. I don't really like my toes already because the way I used to act as a child, I used to put my toes a certain type of way. So now that I'm older, like it's like my toes are like darker than the rest of my feet. So like it's just the white is the only thing that just looks right for now. I don't know. So I definitely love the way my white toenails came out. So I decided to walk my Frenchie, which is my little doggy, with my little cousin. And we just walked around the neighborhood before my wax appointment. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to my wax appointment. I'm getting a Brazilian wax. for these 2 trips, so that, you know, because I have a bunch of cute swimsuits I just really cannot wait to wear. So right now I just got out the shower, so I'm really about to vacuum suction my face. If you watched my healing document journey, I use this and people were like, oh, what's that? Does it really work? Y'all, it does work for me, because I actually get to see the gunk. I don't know if y'all can see it. Y'all see right there? Yeah, right there. That's, you know, for my skin. So, you know, I wash my face really good every day and night, and then I do this about once a week. So literally once I do this and then I exfoliate the next day or the night after doing this, y'all, my face is just like, it's so soft. Like, it feels really soft and clean is what I meant. I really feel like I probably might not be able to get my lashes done, which is very upsetting.
She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can slip. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard. Last week ain't already best friend. She brought a buddy in. What you studying? Education. That's where the money is. You think you funny, huh? Yeah.
So guys, I literally just got my wax. Clearly, obviously, I cannot show y'all that. Here go my dog just barging in my room like she pay bills. But anyways, the wax lady was amazing. Like, she was so sweet. Like, she was really cool to talk to. Like, she was talking to me during the wax so I could be distracted. Did have to take me some leave before I went, just because, you know, for the pain. And she just made it overall a really good experience. We had like a couple talks here and there. So next, so now so far I only have like my wax done in my toes. So I'm about to go see whether or not I need to schedule my lash appointment and what time to do my nail appointment, because I need my nails done badly. That's number one. Besties, I'm literally so hungry. I'm supposed to be packing right now, but I'm eating this Cajun chicken pasta from Chili's, which is my favorite restaurant. We love chicken. Y'all, just learn how to do some type of factory settings on my camera. So it's so cool. I'm definitely going to take it, utilize those tips and tricks when I get to my destination. I have like some really cute outfits, like 2-piece sets. Like, this is a skirt with the, you know, matching top. But I'm literally not doing a haul this year. And the reason I'm doing it for this is because I bought so many like outfits 2021, but really to relaunch my own boutique, because I was also selling clothes. Like, I used to be the Shein back in the day. But, you know, I stopped because, you know, college really kind of took a toll on me. So I had a bunch of outfits. I did like a little photo shoot. I did all that. But then it just turns out like I got busy again. I have like a bunch of makeup. This is where I put my everyday makeup versus my client makeup when I do clients. So I'm actually going to transfer some of my makeup into this one, so it's much smaller and compact, so I can take on the trip with me. Literally not going to be filming 2 types of packing hauls, because I will, once I touch down, I will have to like probably pack again. I hate unpacking already, so just the fact that I have to unpack and then pack again is gonna like blow me. So I'm literally just gonna throw stuff in. It's gonna be a cute little dress. Some of my purses I'm gonna bring, like this one. It's a Shein purse. It should match my shoes that I got from Shein too. I have to find like outfits that pair with different shoes, and then that's how I'm gonna pack. And I'm actually gonna make a checklist, because I always make a little pack checklist, so that way, just a tip y'all, if you guys are going on a trip, definitely make a pack checklist, and then like as you're packing, check off everything. And then by the time you're on your vacation, say for example you went to like Mexico or something, so while you're in Mexico and you're packing up to go back to wherever you came from, you're going to like uncheck everything and then check that you have everything there to bring back to you to your home. I hope that makes sense.
So what about you? A friend replied, I don't go to school. Okay, what you do? I'm a dancer. Quick question, are you a Cancer? I said, hell nah. Where you dance at? She said, blue flame. They should be jam-packed. I said, damn facts. So where y'all mans at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something.
Pause, y'all. People say I use men deodorant. Is this men deodorant? Because, y'all, I love this deodorant. So, if it is, oh well. I have like this long bright orange dress. It even looks yellowish on the camera, but it's like really orange. It's gonna be exciting to wear, and it's super long.
Others have, and I feel like I know it from the past. I mean, at this point we're like lesbians. Then they had another laugh. That same came in with a F and blue girls with him told me he ain't got a preference. Got them both down and I asked a few questions. That last week and they already best friends. Already best friends. That last week and they already best friends.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts.
I think that I want to wear braids on my next trip, and some of these outfits just won't hit as much with braids than a few bundles. But then again, I don't have like long bundles for this trip anyways, but it's something. Look, I have a vision. I'm definitely a visionary. So, it usually comes well put together. I think I'm gonna pack maybe about 1 or 2 pairs of heels. I don't think for this trip I'll really be wearing heels much. I'm thinking of bringing my DSLR camera. The camera that I'm filming on now is a Sony ZV-1. And it's not really good on photos. And I might want to bring my DSLR camera, like actual photo camera, to take pictures. But then again, I feel like I'm not really going to use it. I'm just going to be carrying this heavy thing for no reason.
Last week and they already best friends.
Validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey,
so here go my eyebrows. Like, don't mind my skin, but yes, she actually did a good job for the first time. Normally when I get my eyebrows done, I don't know, it's always something, but this time it was much better. So y'all, these are my nails. I wanted to get pink so bad. I just wasn't sure if I was feeling you little tomboyish or a little girlish. Normally I'm a little girly, so I would normally want pink, but it's cool. Y'all, she did this little design, and in this, I've been wanting this. I just never knew what it was called, so I absolutely love it. She did different here. Yeah, so y'all definitely follow her, check her out if you're in Atlanta. I don't know what these bubbles are called, but I love them. Like, this is the most professional I had them look. Normally they don't look as professional. So I wasn't able to get my lashes done. Really wanted to cry, but I got my toes done, got my nails done, got a wax done, got my eyebrows done. So the only thing left was my lashes. So my mom told me that we might do is when we get to the country, we might find like someone to do my lashes there, which could be exciting. It's like a different experience there, so hopefully I'm able to do that. If not, I guess I'll just have to put on lashes every day. I don't think I'm gonna do that, so if not, I'll definitely schedule a lash appointment for next week when I get back, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't much, just sitting here packing, taking y'all with me, but you know, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you guys check out my next videos. Put on the notifications so you guys can be notified for my travel vlogs that are coming up, and I'm so excited to do. Anyways, love y'all much.
I've been losing friends and finding peace.